Welcome student to this presentation based on organization structure of RTO. This is a point number 6.2 of the unit number 6, and in unit number 6, point number 6.1, we have started the Motor Vehicle Act, and as a part of that act we have to see here in this presentation the organization structure of RTO. As you can see in this picture, the logo of the Maharashtra Motor Vehicle Department, MVD, that is the department, and the website for more information you can have transport.maharashtra.gov.in. So let us see the organization structure of RTO, and let us start with the learning outcome of this today's presentation. We will see here how is the organizational structure of Motor Vehicle Department. RTO means Regional Transport Office. Duties and responsibilities of RTO and AIMV, assistant. He is the AIMV is the assistant working under RTO. So let us see first the introductory part. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the Regional Transport Department of Maharashtra is responsible for the implementation of vehicular laws in the state of Maharashtra. These laws and provisions have been laid down in the said act, which governs all the aspects related to road and transport welfare, which includes the issuance and registrations of vehicles, license and permits. So these are the three main tasks as per these laws: how to issue the license, and making the registrations of the vehicles, and to allow the permits. There are 50 RTOs in Maharashtra covering different regions, and the overall department is under the supervision of the Commissioner of Transport of Maharashtra, and the respective RTO Maharashtra of the region is supervised by the Deputy Regional Transport Officer. So this is a very big organization structure of this department. Starting at the top, you will see there is a Transport Commissioner. So Transport Commissioner is there at the top. Below to him there is an additional Transport Commissioner, and after that at the third level you will see the Joint Transport Commissioner, and this Joint Transport Commissioner is having a control on all Deputy Transport Commissioners. You will see their Deputy Transport Commissioners at the different levels, and below to them there is a ATC Deputy RTO. So you will see for the Jalgaon, here you can see Jalgaon is coming under RTO Dhule MH18, and below to that you will see clearly in this picture Deputy RTO Jalgaon and Deputy RTO Nandurbar MH39 and MH19. So in the same way other Deputy RTOs for Jalna, Beed, Ahmednagar, Ambezogai, Usmanabad such are working. So this is a organization structure of this department. So what are the functions of Road Transport Department in Maharashtra? Number one is vehicle related functions, of which includes the registrations, both temporary as well as permanent, of the motor vehicle that ply on the roads, the issuance of the fitness certificate to such vehicles, the grant of various permits to the commercial vehicle. The RTO Maharashtra is also responsible for collecting the motor vehicle tax and for the issuance and renewal of passengers and goods vehicle permits. Second is driving license related functions. This function includes the issuance and renewal of the motor driving license to the common drivers, and issuance of conductor license to the expert drivers. In order to issue such a license, the RTO Maharashtra conducts the driving test, maintains the centers for these tests, and give out the forms for the same. After that, documentary and administrative functions. If there are duplicate license to be issued or no objection certificate to be issued, the work falls on the RTO. Similarly, ownership transfer and changes in the address etc. are other roles. Tourist permit, collection of road tax etc. are also the important duties. After that, road welfare related functions. The RTO Maharashtra is also supposed to undertake projects and initiative to ensure road safety, the oversee the provision and upkeep of traffic facilities like traffic signs, take measures to curb vehicle pollution and controlling traffic during crucial events like emergencies and elections. So these are some of the functions, you can see here vehicle related functions, driving license related functions. Some of the functions are related to documentary and administrative functions and road welfare related functions. So what are the duties of the motor vehicle inspector? Number one, inspector to inspects trucks, accessories, airlines and electric circuits and reports needed repairs. He examines vehicles for damage and drives vehicle to detect malfunctions. He tests vehicle components for wear, damage or improper adjustment using mechanical or electrical devices. He applies inspection sticker to the vehicles that pass inspection and rejection sticker to vehicles that fail. A motor vehicle inspector prepares a report on each vehicle for follow-up action by owner or a police. He prepares and keeps record of vehicles delivered. He positions trailer and driver's car onto truck trailer. He notifies authorities of owners having illegal equipment installed on the vehicle. So these are some of the job duties and tasks that are performed by the motor vehicle inspector. So there is another post, assistant motor vehicle inspector, AMVI, in RTO. RTO is the abbreviation of regional transport officer. AIMV is the abbreviation of assistant inspector of motor vehicles. So what is this? AIMV means assistant inspector motor vehicle is a post from which officers join the service in the motor vehicle or transport department. So this is a starting post. Then the first promotion is IMV, inspector of motor vehicles. Then the next promotion is ARTO, assistant regional transport officer, and some officers join the department as a ARTO directly. Then next promotion is deputy RTO, that is deputy regional transport officers, and then comes RTO. Now but the general public call all officers as RTO who wear the RTO uniform. So this way, this is a short introductory information related to the RTO department. For more references, you can have these links, and you can study more from the links provided. Thank you very much.